Oh my.
But like,
I am here to discuss.
welcome to my channel.
Hi, it's 1 AM and I'm going to cut my hair. And I kind of want to do like little bangs, mullet, shag moment. And I think this is the perfect opportunity to do this. I have a mirror here. This is my little setup. I'm going to show. Hi! Now I need to fix this again. Hold on. I just checked the footage, and if you're wondering why my face is shiny like this, it's my moisturizer. I already did my skincare routine. That's why. I think I'm just going to part my hair in the middle like this. Wait a little. I also spent an hour trying to find my hair cutting scissors, and I still can't find it, so I'm going to use my rusty craft scissor. It's as if the universe is telling me that cutting my hair right now is a bad idea, but I am my own universe, and if I declare that today is the perfect opportunity to cut my hair, then today is the perfect opportunity to cut my hair. I think this is the perfect thickness. Now I can't see. I'm going to start to cut it a lot longer than I want because I have a wavy curlish hair pattern, so it's going to shrink. The hairstyle that I'm going for is calling for micro bangs. But my sister just cut herself a micro bangs, and my other sister wants to do that as well, and I don't want us to be a family of micro bangs. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Doesn't look right. We're just going to go for it. See, this is a crappy scissor. Ooh. You know who I reminded myself with? Buttercup. Should I cut the side area too? And the fact that I have a certificate for hair cutting is embarrassing. I have a lot of... Oh my gosh, doing my skincare first might be the wrong choice. This isn't the look that I'm going for. Guys, imagine if I had a bob. Look. Look. Do you think it will be cute? I thought this will take me like 2 minutes. This is taking longer than I have expected. Do you guys like my nose piercing? Yeah, it's fake. They trim the sides. I should get the opinion of my sister. I shouldn't be doing this alone. Girl, look what I found. It was in my sister's room. So yeah, universe, I know this is actually the perfect opportunity to cut my hair. Thank you for the confirmation. Yeah, I checked back on the footage, and this doesn't look good to me. I asked the opinion of my sister, and she said it doesn't look good either. So we're cutting the bangs shorter, and we're going to actually trim the sides. We're going to section this because my hair is quite thick. Look cute! Cut this a little shorter. My hair is literally getting everywhere. Look at that. Excuse me. Look. I need to cut it shorter. Fuck, I don't know what I'm doing. but like I don't have anything to lose. If something goes wrong, let's bring back the bzz bzz and just start all over again. I mean, I already shaved off my head. I'm not scared of anything. I feel like Katy Perry in that music video. Days like this. This doesn't feel right. Oh, I wish I can pull this off. I mean, I can. You can pull anything off when you're bad. Let's still do the layering or something. I thought this will take me like 2 minutes, but it's been like maybe like 45 minutes and I look like a fucking mushroom. I thought cutting a bangs and tucking the hair behind my ear will look cute, but I just look like a mushroom. I think we need to thin up. Oh, we're just, oh, I know what this is. Yeah, I know what this is called. It's called thinning scissors. I think we're just like let's do that. Oh, I mean, look at this side versus this side. We're getting there. I think thinning it out works. Works, right? Let's also take into consideration that I have curly hairs. I don't know what this will look like when I style it tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but like I dig it. Like if I see another person with the same haircut as me, I will tell them that they're hot. Because they are. People with this haircut are hot. You know what? I'm happy with this. I just want to do a little snippy snappy. Because cutting your hair is so much fun. Oh, you know what? It looks great. I'm just being too hard on myself. Ah! I'm sleeping for myself so hard right now. Why am I this hot? Who made me this hot? Me. You know what? I'm just going to get back to you tomorrow when I've got my makeup done and like my mental state ready. I still have a lot to clean. Look at that. You know what? I'll see you tomorrow for real. Bye bye. I kind of love it. I'm convinced that any hairstyle looks fantastic on me. I mean, look at this. And I don't know why I'm hating on it yesterday. This is awesome. And I also love how this part flares out. I didn't do anything to it. It's just the natural pattern of my hair, I guess. And the bangs, it's a lot shorter than I initially like, but it's kind of working, so I'm not complaining. And this part, it's a lot flatter because my hair is still kind of wet. I still haven't figured out how to style it properly. But I'm sticking with this and I'm just going to ruffle it, I guess. And it's kind of like working. I mean, this is a vibe! I love it. I feel like this is the best decision I did for my hair except for shaving my head. I really just love expressing myself through my hair. Now enjoy a little montage of me being all cute.
If you can cry real tears, then you're gonna cry them all for me. If you can feel real fears, then I'm gonna leave you shivering. Ooh, I'm gonna make you.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. video. I hope you enjoyed me cutting my hair. I encourage you to do the same. You only live once. It's hair. It will grow back to whatever the fuck you want it to do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.